Hi everyone, my name is Idil and welcome to Idil's Kitchen. We have a very special recipe for you prepared today. We're going to make Salt Bay style filet mignon and French fries. You know he's Turkish like I am. He's very popular right now all around the world. He has restaurants in Dubai, in New York, in Miami. But I used to know him from way back. For about 10-15 years ago, he used to have a smaller shop and I always used to go and eat there. I really like his food. He makes it very simple, he uses good ingredients and then he uses right techniques and that's why it's delicious. The dinner that we're gonna make today, it's quite easy to make. You need a very few ingredients. For the French fries, you obviously need some potatoes. He doesn't serve them too thin like McDonald's French fries, but not too thick so that they're wedges, so something in between. What I did was, I prepared them and I let them soak in water for about 30-40 minutes to get rid of that excess starch. I'm just going to get rid of that excess water right now. And whenever you are making French fries, make sure to soak your potatoes in salted water for a little bit so that they're more crunchy on the outside. And they need to be dry before we put them in frying oil. So I'm just going to leave a paper towel here and let them soak. And what I have here is I have some filet mignon, and this dish at his restaurant is called LOKUM. It's my favorite and I think it's the most popular one as well. The filet mignon has to be thin, like fingers thickness, you can think of it like that. And he says he doesn't marinate his meat, but then he gets to choose the best meat in Turkey. So what I did was, I got good meat, but I put some olive oil on it and leave it to marinate for about 5-10 minutes. And here I have my cast iron skillet. So I've been heating it for about 5 minutes now. It has to be really hot. And before we put meat on here, I'm just going to put some salt. And pepper. And to the other side as well. And I'm going to transfer these in the hot cast iron skillet. When you go to his restaurant, you can actually choose if you want medium, rare, well done. You know, some chefs, they don't let you choose, he does. But the best way to serve it is medium rare. So 1 minute on each side will be enough. And I'm gonna get this olive oil on here too. Perfect. And to the frying oil here, I'm going to add my dried potatoes and I'm going to fry them as well. One minute on each side, and now I'm transferring the meat to a board. I'm going to let it rest for a couple minutes. In the meanwhile, the French fries will be ready, and then we're going to put everything together. So the meat is ready, the fries are ready. The way he serves his French fries, and I love it. Some salt, some red pepper flakes, some oregano. And I'm going to transfer these to a bowl here. Do you follow Nusret on Instagram? Please do leave your comments. He posts sometimes to me they're too much, but he posts really funny videos. And sometimes he posts very meaningful photos showing how he started the business as a dishwasher in a restaurant here. And the fries are ready. And now I'm going to transfer the meat on this board here. It's always a good idea to let the meat rest so it relaxes a bit before you serve it. And also you don't get the juices on the board, although at Nusret's restaurant The meat always comes with a little bit of the juices. I think he leaves them to rest for about 2-3 minutes only. And then we have the meat here. And now for the final touch. I can't do it like him. We add the salt. Now let's give it a taste. It's super soft, as you can see inside. It's medium rare. This is how I like it. You can leave it more rare or you can cook it just a little bit more, but don't cook it more than 3-4 minutes, otherwise it's gonna dry out. Very tasty. Again, he serves it for the most part with mustard. I love eating this with mustard, and let's give it a taste for the French fries as well. So crunchy, perfect with all the spices. So here you have it. You can prepare this in about 20 minutes, and it's Nusret salt-based style dinner. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I share a lot of easy, breezy, delicious Mediterranean recipes. Hope to see you next time. Bye!